Leonard, and welcome to Bohol.
Alright, hi guys. So, nag-bus stop tayo. We're having our breakfast before heading up to the airport. So, nasa NMAX tayo. And we just arrived. Bye-bye. Upon checking in for fully vaccinated, you have to submit a vaccination card or certificate plus your approved travel coordination permit. For non-fully vaccinated, you have to submit a negative RT-PCR test plus your travel coordination permit. You will not be allowed to go on board without submitting the requirements for Bohol.
According to the seat numbers reflected on your This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling off the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Your life vest is found under your seats. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist, push end to buckle, and pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into the oral chutes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water, and here is a whistle to attract attention.
The flight from Naiya to Panglao is 1.5 hours.
A few moments later.
Hi, we've landed at Panglao. And upon arrival, before you will be allowed to go out in the airport, you have to submit yourself with the Trace Contract Tracing form. So before our arrival, we actually booked an airport transfer from our hotel accommodation. So they have been patiently waiting as we arrive in the island. And we are checking in at Henann Resort, ALONA Beach, the biggest 5-star hotel in the island. Henann is just 10 minutes drive away from the airport. Thank you, Henann. After checking in, we had our lunch at the hotel's Sea Breeze restaurant. Ito lang ma'am, pero may room pang isa.
Apa ya, Papai?
A few moments later.
And we're having our dinner at the Bass Cafe of the Bohol Bee Farm Satellite Restaurant at the ALONA Beach.
And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!